The flea can jump more than 200 times their body length. If humans had such an ability, they would jump as high as the Empire State Building. The red-eyed tree frog's eggs can hatch earlier if they sense their environment isn't safe. Small animals with fast metabolism see in slow-mo. This helps them escape larger creatures. Koalas' fingerprints are very, very similar to the human ones. Sometimes these animals' fingerprints even get confused at crime scenes. The hippo's sweat is pink and not exactly sweat. Its function is to not cool the body, but to moisturize the skin and protect it. This fluid also functions as an antibiotic. Polar bear skin is black, and the hairs of their coat are hollow and almost see-through.